I was sent this sleep headband and these are awesome. Before I put it on and show you how it works, I'm going to just show you really quick that if you flip it inside out, you'll see there is a little hole here and that can reach to the inside hardware and the speakers so that you can take them out if you want to and wash this. So if you're going to be using it for like working out, you'll probably want to wash it often. If you're just sleeping in it, you might not need to wash it as much. But okay, here's how it works. So you just kind of put it on like a regular headband. And then there's certain ways you can wear it. You're going to line up the headphones to your ears. So I have them lined up right now. And then that's going to be your on-off button. It just pairs with your Bluetooth on your phone. And then you have your audio sides there. Now, I was just listening to music on this and the quality is awesome. They are really good speakers. But what I like to use these for is at night for sleeping, I'll put on a meditation and I can put this on and I'm a side sleeper and it really doesn't bother me to have it. So I'll use this if I'm sharing like a hotel room or something like that, or I'm with my family traveling and I want to drown out the noise and fall asleep more easily. I will definitely have one of these. So I always take them with me when I travel. I like leave it in my luggage. This is my traveling headphones and they're great. Now you also can bring them down like so, and it will block out the light. So you can wear it over your eyes too. So kind of your choice. And if you want to go work out with it as well, it's a great way to work out. It's kind of cool because you're wearing headphones, but people don't really know you're wearing headphones. It almost looks like you're just wearing little ear warmers. So very, very great functionality on these. And if you do like to listen to something while you fall asleep or while you're sleeping, I definitely recommend a sleep headband.